Today we're transforming the ugliest vegetable into the most beautiful puree. Let's do it. The first step for this ridiculous puree is to turn on your oven, preheat it to 180 degrees, and let me introduce you to the ugliest but tastiest vegetable, celeriac, otherwise known as celery root. This unfortunate looking thing makes the most amazing puree. So take a really sharp knife and you want to remove all of that tough skin. So slice all the way around the celeriac and then make sure you remove any little blemishes. And then once you've done this, give it a really good rinse under some water. And then from there, you want to dice it up into inch-sized cubes roughly. So chop your way through your celeriac and then you want to chuck that into a bowl ready to roast. So with your celeriac prepped, you want to pop an oven-proof frying pan onto the hob, turn the heat between medium and high, and we want some unsalted butter. Add a nice generous amount of your butter, and then when the butter gets really nice and foamy, chuck in your celeriac. Give that a good tossing up in the pan, coat all the celeriac in the butter, and we want to roast this off until you start to get a bit of colour on the celeriac. And do me a favour and quickly hit that subscribe button below. At this point, you want to chuck the celeriac into the oven and then roast it off for about 20 to 25 minutes or so until it starts to get nice and brown and beautifully soft. After about 25 minutes or so, you want to get that out of the oven, pop it back onto the hob, turn the heat to medium, and then we're going to want some chicken stock. Pour in some of your chicken stock and you want to spend a bit of time to reduce that down until it's really nice and thick and syrupy. We don't want it watery. And once your chicken stock is reduced, we're going to want a little touch of acid to cut through the richness of the puree. Here I'm using some red wine vinegar. Add a little dash of your vinegar, give that a good stir, and now we're ready to puree. So very quickly, give the video a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Chuck your celeriac into a blender, and then you want some double cream. Pour in some of your double cream, and then take your blender and you want to pulse up the celeriac until it's nice and smooth. And then give it a stir, give it a taste, and now you want to season. So add a nice pinch of sea salt. Also add any more celeriac or cream that you need, and then pop it back in the blender. Give it another few minutes to blitz up, and then give it a stir. Make sure the consistency is what you're looking for. We want it nice and smooth and moussey almost. And when you're happy, you're good to go. There we have one of the most amazing purees. So get in the kitchen, get cooking, and I'll see you next time.